Today we're unboxing the X-9 by Comfy Go Mobility. We're going to start by getting a box cutter and cutting these two straps that are around it. Make sure you cut upwards. You do not want to cut downwards into your product and potentially damage it. So we're going to cut upwards. And then the top flap of the box is taped down, so we're just going to carefully cut the tape. And I can open the box and we can take a look inside. Got a piece of foam up top. And then if you look in here, this is what you're greeted by. So I'm going to start by taking out some of the accessories that are up top. We have a cushion up here. Then we have some of our accessories. We have the owner's manual right here. Also included is your toolkit. Then it looks like we have our charger. Just a piece of tape holding it. There we go. So here's our charger. We also have our remote control. And looks like a, if you're not quite sure what this is, I'm going to open it up though. So that was a USB charger actually that plugs into the charging port of your joystick. So I'm going to keep going. We have what looks like the backrest. We have this box here. Actually not sure what's in it, but we're going to open it up in just a second. We have some more of our cushions. Then that looks like all the loose accessories. So from here, there's a few options to open this up. If you are capable or you have a second person, you can both just lift the chair up. You can see that's all that's left is the main unit. But another option that you can do, which is what I'm going to do, is I'm going to cut the box instead. So again, with your knife, make sure you double check before you cut that your product is not in the way of the knife, because I'm going to cut the box from the bottom to the top. Just make sure your product is not anywhere where the knife could damage it. Then from here we can see the chair and then we'll be able to pull it out. So from here I'm going to pull the chair out. Get it off the box. And then down here we have our batteries. They're sealed in this box right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a moment to clean up, make sure everything's a bit more organized, and then we'll be right back. So now I have the box out of the way and all the padding out of the way, and we're going to go over what was included in the box. So to start, we have our charger here. I'm going to leave that in the box for now. We do have a pad right here. We have our owner's manual. This is our USB charger. And I'm also going to unbox this. We're going to see what's in here. Again, be careful with your knife. Don't cut into it. And this is our elevating leg rests. So there's two of them in here, as well as looks like little mounting brackets. In this box we're going to have our battery. So I'm just going to open this up. And here's our battery. The cable in the battery is connected by, or it's being held in place by a zip tie. So very carefully I'm going to cut that. Then from here we have our toolkit, our backrest, our little remote, our back cushion, seat cushion. And then from here I'm going to assemble the rest of these. So next we're going to take our joystick. I already unboxed it. It was just sitting in this box right in here. We're going to take our joystick and we're going to slide it into this assembly right here. So it is a little bit of a snug fit, so it might take a few tries. There we go. It slides in. And then this latch just locks it in. You might have to spin it once or twice to get it to lock, but it just locks the joystick in. So from here to unfold the chair, you're just going to unfold it, just like this. You can kind of push down on here, but now you can see it is open. And then these backrests actually come up. There we go. And they should snap. Let me turn it around so you can see what I'm doing. And they're right here. So they should come up and then snap. There you go. And these are pretty solid as well. And now we're going to put our headrest assembly on. You're going to want the Velcro portion facing forward. We're just going to slide it into these two posts here. There we go. Once you have it installed, you just tighten these two screws. And we should be good. So the next portion we have to do is the elevating leg rests. We have two of them. This one goes on the right-hand side. You can move this calf pad out of the way to get this unfolded if you have to, but this is the right-hand one. You can also see this has electric elevating legs, so there is a plug right here, and it's going to connect. There's a little plug running along the side of the frame. You might be able to see it right here, so we're going to connect that, but it's just these two circles connect onto these two posts, just like this. Then you can slide it in, and they will snap. And then just make sure you plug in these two plugs. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So now we're going to install the battery. The battery will just slide onto this bracket here, and it'll rest in here. You can see the battery plug right here. It's going to connect to this plug. So I'm just going to slide it on. There we go. Go ahead and connect the power. And then this is your joystick power. It's going to go into this charging port right here. It only goes a certain way. It goes vertically, just like that. So now your battery is installed. From here, we're going to install our tip wheels on the back. There's a little plastic clip with a pin on it that comes out. The tip wheels go into wherever you want. There's two adjustment points. And then you put the clip with the pin back on. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. So the next thing I'm going to do is test the power. I'm going to turn on the power, and if I try to drive it and I hear the chair not moving and it starts beeping at me, that means we are in neutral. So I'm going to turn the power off, and I'm going to go to the back of the chair here. There is two red handles. These are your neutral levers. Make sure they are both pushed down. You're going to turn the power off, back on again, then the chair should drive normally. So from here, we're going to put the cushions on our chair. We have a headrest, a backrest, and then your seat cushion. So I'm going to put the seat cushion on first. It is connected by Velcro. So it just rests on there. Make sure your seat belt is up and out of the way. Our backrest is also connected by Velcro. We'll just connect in there. Then we have our headrest here, also by Velcro, but there is a little cover protecting the Velcro. So we're just going to remove that first, and then we're ready to go. So now we have the chair fully assembled. The other things it comes with is a charger. The charger plugs in underneath the joystick, or if you unplug that cable we plugged in earlier to the battery, you can charge it from the back of the battery as well. You also have a toolkit with any tools that you need to make any adjustments on the chair. It comes with a remote control. The remote control should already be synced to your chair. If not, I'm going to have a link to a guide on how to pair your remote control in the description below. We also have a USB little light and USB charger, and then our owner's manual. So once again, this has been the ComfyGo X-9. If you have any other questions or you like this product, feel free to give us a call.
Hello guys, this is Jay with ComfyGo. I am one of the partners here in ComfyGo, and we are partnering with Marc's Mobility, and we just brought out this unit, this chair called the X-9, probably one of the most functional chairs you will ever purchase at this price point for what it can do for you. If you have circulation issues, if you need to lay back and rest and you don't want to keep transferring out of chairs, you can live in this, you could sleep in this chair and watch TV if you wanted to. Quick example is you could just lay back and at your control on the joystick, and you control everything with it. So come see Marc's Mobility, come talk to one of their reps, and they'll set you up with this chair. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.